This episode is brought to you by Flying Eyes. Stick around later in the episode to find out how to get 10% off. So one of the things what I like to do is talk about the things that are here that are innovative, that are new, that are exciting, and make things safer. And this is a great example of that. This is the TurbAero engine. Essentially what it is a small turbine engine that's going to be able to be used to replace a lot of engines that are in other experimental aircraft. So if you're thinking RV7, RV8, Lancers, Glassairs, this can be swapped out, and it weighs about 50 to 60 pounds lighter than a traditional IO360 or IO390 that you're going to put into an engine to get about the same amount of horsepower. As far as horsepower goes, we're looking at about 200 horsepower out of this, and the initial price tag is a little bit more than you would traditionally see for that. They're looking at about $85,000, but the advantage is the maintenance that's going to be required on this is significantly less. Additionally, unlike traditional aircraft engines where you have about 1,800 hours on the TPO, time between overhaul, the time in which you have to completely take the engine apart and put it back together with new parts, this has a 3,000 hour TPO. So it's going to last a lot longer, a lot less maintenance required, a lot more reliable than your traditional internal combustion piston-driven engines. So something really exciting. They say that they're going to have it on the test bed fully running at the first quarter of next year, and they're hoping to release it to customers within about 2 years is what they're hoping for. So this episode has been brought to you by Flying Eyes. Honestly, these are some of my favorite sunglasses I've ever flown with. They're incredibly durable. They've got polycarbonate lenses. And if you want to get a pair of these, go to Flying Eye Optics. Check out with code DOZEN and you get 10% off and you help support the channel as well.